Can you believe they had a twin-rotor helicopter flying just 3 years after the Second World War ended? The Piasecki HUP-3 Retriever significantly influenced helicopter design, particularly in tandem-rotor configurations. The HUP-3's successful implementation of this design, which eliminates the need for a conventional tail rotor, paved the way for subsequent aircraft like the Bristol Belvedere and the Boeing Chinook. These helicopters, building upon the HUP-3's foundation, further refined tandem rotor technology, improving performance, payload capacity, and overall operational capabilities. So what do you think? Would we have had the Chinook if they hadn't designed the HUP-3?